ihanga rya Uganda ryo mu ntebekanisa zo Okwombeka omushekye gwa kilometero 13 oguri kuza kutwara amajuta gategegine kuruga Hoima ugatwara mu ihanga rya Tanzania kandi omurimo ogwo nugwija kutandika omwaka ogwo. Betu hariho abantu abatandikire kuzihakanisa bari kugira ngo nikiza kutabangura obuhangwa ngw'entebekanisa egi eshemerire kuterwa mutoki ogundi murundi. Hariho n'akatamba kashohwire aha mukuto gwa Twitter n'ikigenderwa cyo kuzibira entebekanisa egi.
We got total ECOP going on. It's still going on.
We need to stop this investment in the ECOP that's going on in Uganda and Tanzania that goes on by Total. We need to stop it this year, right now.
It's the same thing that's happening in Ukraine.
Hatari kugarukamwe kibuzo cy'umunyamakuru wita hantebekanisa egi John Bosco habo mu gishuri yo muhwezi wa mukuru wa project nagira ngo entebekanisa nizigomizamo kandi tiyene kirazishazemo.
We are Ugandans, we are East Africans, we are Africans. We know that Africa, when you talk about poverty, there is energy poverty in Africa. And the development partners are many. But also we have the negative voices who are saying, stop developing oil projects in Uganda, in Africa, that you are destroying the environment. These are countries that have developed already. Themselves, they are already developed. Now, when we go through energy transition, the first thing is to define what you're transitioning from.
Tukimanya ngo harimu bamwe abakubiri babiri batarikwenda ngo oyireje obundi biho konka government ahiyahika oyireji netekwa kubaho kandi tutekwa abantu babunyoro na Uganda nibatekwa kugira ebibatungamo.
Okwombeka omushekye oguri kuza kutwara amajuta gategegine nikija kumaraho obuhumbi 3,500 za dola kandi nibateekateka ngo omurimo ogwo niguza kutandika omwaka ogwo.
Ezo forces eziri kuba ezakubiri zabiri zigwanisa nka NGOs ezimwe ezabiri zitarikwenda ngo oyireji ebeho bakaba bazo mu areas batandika kutraininga abantu bumwe ngo ubundi bakaremeza oil konka echo kibasa kubaho ahabo kuba government is determined to making sure oireji omurubunyoro twagitimba kandi twatandika kuguza n'ihanga ryatandika kutunga mu sente.
Uganda na Tanzania bino obujunanzibwa bwo bucweka 30 harigana. Kampuni ya Bufaransa ya Total Energies niyo ino mwuga muhango ubwo bucweka nkagana bibera harigana rero sino ino mwuga gwo bucweka 8 aharigana. Gashakwanwaga ba Ambrose Katoto.